Q9098-1. When is the pilot responsible to see and avoid other traffic, terrain, or obstacles? A. ATC maintains responsibility if the pilot is operating under IFR. B. When meteorological conditions permit, regardless of flight rules. C. When they have accepted an instruction to maintain visual separation. The correct answer is B. Each person operating an aircraft shall maintain attention to see and avoid other aircraft when weather conditions permit, regardless of whether an operation is performed under IFR or VFR. 9094. When a speed adjustment is necessary to maintain separation, what minimum speed may ATC request of a turbine-powered aircraft operating below 10,000 feet? A. 200 knots. B. 210 knots. C. 250 knots. The correct answer is B. The minimal airspeed for a turbine-powered aircraft operated below 10,000 feet, where a speed modification is required to maintain separation, is 210 knots. 9094-1. When ATC assigns a speed adjustment to an aircraft operating at FL 270, it will be at a speed not less than A. 250 knots. B. 210 knots. C. 200 knots. The correct answer is A. Aircraft traveling between FL 280 and 10,000 feet will have their speeds adjusted by ATC to a maximum of 250 knots, or the equivalent Mach number. 9095. When a speed adjustment is necessary to maintain separation, what minimum speed may ATC request of a turbine-powered aircraft departing an airport? A. 188 knots. B. 210 knots. C. 230 knots. The correct answer is C. The minimum airspeed for a turbine-powered aircraft on departure, when a speed modification is required to maintain separation, is 230 knots. 9096. If ATC requests a speed adjustment that is not within the operating limits of the aircraft, what action must the pilot take? A. Maintain an airspeed within the operating limitations as close to the requested speed as possible. B. Attempt to use the requested speed as long as possible, then request a reasonable airspeed from ATC. C. Advise ATC of the airspeed that will be used. The correct answer is C. According to the FAA's Aeronautical Information Manual, AM, Chapter 4, Section 442, Speed Adjustments. If an ATC speed adjustment is not compatible with the minimum or maximum safe airspeed for any particular operation, the pilot should advise ATC. The pilot should not attempt to use a speed that is outside of the aircraft's operating limits. Doing so could put the aircraft and its occupants at risk. In the event that ATC requests a speed adjustment that is not within the operating limits of the aircraft, the pilot should advise ATC of the airspeed that will be used. The pilot should then attempt to use the requested speed as close as possible to the aircraft's operating limits. If the pilot is unable to maintain the requested speed, the pilot should advise ATC as soon as possible.